After you're directed to the digital engagement website, you'll arrive at a page like the one shown below. Before participating, please create a user profile so your responses can be saved. To do this, click the Login Join button located in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up window will appear that says Need an account? Sign up today. Click this button to enter your preferred username, email address, and password. We also ask that you share the demographic information such as your date of birth, education, and income. These questions are used only to help us understand demographic variation within our sample. Once you have input your information and have read the privacy policy and terms of use, please click I agree to the privacy statement and complete the CAPTCHA to create your account. Once you have finished creating an account and have signed in, return to the first page titled Share Your Input with Policymakers and read through the instructions. This page explains the content you will view and interact with, as well as the steps to follow. When you are done reading, please click Start to go to the background survey, which is the first step to complete. Please answer the questions in the background survey carefully, as this will give us an understanding of how you feel about different groups who work on or make decisions about environmental health issues in your community. Once finished, please click Continue to Data Center. The first topic that you will see is about data center development. For each topic, you will be shown a carousel, a panel of curated information and images. Use the arrow on the right side of the carousel to move through and read the information carefully, as this should inform your next steps. After reading the information, participate in Rate This Information. You will then see instructions for the activities in the following page by navigating to next to data center engagement. For the data center engagement, please complete the 4 steps. The first one is about giving feedback by participating in a discussion forum. The second is also about giving feedback in a discussion forum about solutions about this issue. And then the third is participating in quick polls by indicating your answers on a couple of these questions below. And then the fourth one is about engagement timeline, where you review the timeline of data center development and then participate in a fourth discussion forum about when community involvement should occur. When you're done with all the 4 steps, click next to air quality to move forward to the second topic. For the air quality topic, you will see a similar carousel of information. After reading the information carefully, participate in Rate This Information and answer the question below, then click Submit. After moving on to air quality engagement, you will then see instructions for the activities below. For the air quality topic, please complete the 3 engagement steps. The first one is giving feedback by participating in a discussion forum, and then the second one is about providing your feedback on solutions. And then the third one is about using an interactive map to identify areas with air quality concerns. And you can do this by adding a marker, adding an address, let's say Milwaukee, and then you'll be shown where you can add your comment, and that it will also record your screen name, which is the username that you signed up with, and an email address. Then you can submit to keep the pin at the designated location that you've indicated. And then when you're done with all 3 steps, please click next to water management to move forward. Lastly, for the water resource management topic, you will see a similar carousel of information. After reading the information carefully, once again, participate in Rate This Information, answer the question, and then click Submit. For water resource management, please navigate to next to water engagement, and you'll be asked to complete 3 engagement steps again, which is giving feedback, solutions, and then another interactive map. And once you have completed all 3 steps, click to next to final survey to proceed. And the final survey is the last step of engagement, and please complete this brief final survey about your experiences on the platform. After completing the survey, you may exit the page. Once the researchers have verified your engagement on the platform, you will receive compensation for participation. Thank you.